Raj Paliwal, pursuing my BTech from NIT Raipur. Good evening, everyone. Today we are discussing about a topic which is integration. Integration is quite a scoring topic in JEE Mains and even for JEE Advanced also. Integration plays a vital role in a calculus. Let's see. Here we have indefinite integration. Why it is indefinite integration? Why can't we definite integration? What is the logic behind it? It is indefinite. Later on we can see in this video, but for now, definite integrals, we can put our function in definite, we put some in limits. But in case of indefinite, we can't put this in limits. We just show this equation as like this, where c is an arbitrary constant, which is also called a constant of integration. Which is also called a constant of integration. Now what is phi x? fx and phi x ये दोनों एक फंक्शन है. जैसा कि ये फंक्शन अपन ने पहले पढ़ लिया है. ये फंक्शन के बाद ही ये टॉपिक है इनडेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन, और इनडेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन के बाद आता है अपना टॉपिक डेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन, और इनडेफिनिट के पहले आता है अपना डिफरेंशिएशन. तो इंटीग्रेशन जो है वो डिफरेंशिएशन का रिवर्स है. हाउ? सपोज वी टेक अ फंक्शन कॉल्ड -2x. ये एक्चुअली मेरा फेवरेट नंबर है, तो हर बार जहां भी मैं एग्जांपल समझाता हूं तो उस टाइम यही मैं एक वेरिएबल लेता हूं, fx -2x. Like integration of -2x dx, what we can analyze from this? It is minus x square. Now minus x square, the differentiation of minus x square, we give it's a 2x. So minus 2x to minus x square. Now how they are interlinked with each other? By this, the differentiation of number is integration. Integration of that number is a reverse of differentiation. That all we analyze from this thing. Now here we come up with equation as what we written here. Here we written fx dx equals to phi x plus c. What is this here? This is like a primitive. It's quite weird terms in terms of integration, or it is also called as antiderivative. It will be quite familiar to you. Primitive and antiderivative. This is primitive and antiderivative, and family of primitive as well as antiderivative by denoting by this function in integration sign, that's we call as an integration. Okay, now basically we come up with some standard formulas which will definitely help you to solve a complex problems. Like our formula and integration divided into some basic knowledge as well as conceptual knowledge. Like in JEE Mains अगर आप देखोगे कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स आती है. अब कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए सबसे पहले अगर आपको बेसिक ही नहीं पता होगा तो आप प्रॉब्लम को डिवाइड कैसे करोगे? बेसिक इन द सेंस आपको कुछ थ्योरम्स पता होनी चाहिए उससे रिलेटेड, थ्योरम्स पता होनी चाहिए, रूल्स पता होना चाहिए उससे रिलेटेड, और कुछ फॉर्मूलाज पे इतना फोकस क्यों कर रहा हूँ? फॉर्मूलाज इट मींस कि डिफरेंशिएशन में कुछ फॉर्मूला जैसे sin x का cos x हो जाता है और sin x का माइनस cos x हो जाता है. इन इंटीग्रेशन देयर इज डिफरेंस इन ए साइन, और उस साइन की वजह से आपका एक कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम बिगड़ जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर नॉट स्कोरिंग क्वाइट इनफ. और ये JEE मेंस का सबसे सिंपल टॉपिक है एज वेल एज स्कोरिंग टॉपिक है. तो हियर वी कम अप विद सम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूलाज like x and dx integration. What it gives? X n divided by n plus 1. Second, what will be 1 by x dx? It will give ln x plus c. Don't miss this c, because we are in indefinite integration, not indefinite integration. It is like arbitrary constant, what we call, as we learned earlier, it is a constant of an integration. This formula. Some trigonometric formula also, like integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. That's what we are talking about in earlier video. Fifth, cos x dx is equals to sin x plus c. In differentiation, it was minus sin x. Like what we can do here, we take some problem. So for better understanding, problem will be good. First, what is the problem? Suppose here we have number log a3x. Here a is at the base, 3 is a constant, x is a variable, and also constant. Integration of this number, it let it be fx. So what is the integration of fx dx? Here, as a property of logarithmic function, as you learned earlier lectures in sets in functions, log a of a, log in the base a to the a is equals to 1. What will be this? It will be log x whole cube, like that, as we learned earlier. This is a property of logarithmic function. I want to combine all the things in this integration. So earlier part or conceptual part of earlier lectures definitely clear in this video. Like this, what we can do, x cube log a, what is this? Is 1. This is 1. X cube dx. As we learned earlier, this formula xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1 dx, a formula of fx dx. Here comes our second problem, which is based on trigonometric function. What is? Like integration of dx upon 1 plus cos 2x. अब इस प्रॉब्लम को आप कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? Doing 1 minus 2 multiply and divide 1 minus cos 2x like that. It is also quite a good approach, but it is too time consuming. So here one method or one way of doing solve problem within a time constraint or within a shorter time. Here what you know, like we have to know the some kind of properties of trigonometric function. What are the properties? Like 1 plus cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x. Similarly, other properties like that. 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sin square x. यहाँ से पता चल रहा है कि कैसे इंटरलिंक है आपस में चीजें. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन कैसे इंटरलिंक है, फंक्शंस कैसे इंटरलिंक है आपस में, इंडेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन कैसे इंटरलिंक है, डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे लिंक है. Now here dx upon 2 cos square x integration. Now what is 1 by cos square x? Is sec square x. 1 by 2 dx. Now integration of sec square x is equal to, as our standard formula, you recall earlier, 1 by 2. Here it is an arbitrary constant. Now we are going for better understanding of integration for mains level as well as advanced level, because basic knowledge and conceptual knowledge is essential for qualifying or ace any exam. So here we learn about geometric interpretation of integration. As you all know, we take an function. This is my favorite. As you all know, fx equal to minus 2x. The differentiation of fx dx is equals to, what is the integration of this number? It's minus x square plus c. Now this, can we write the derivative of x in terms of y? Yes, definitely we can write. Y is a function of x. It's equals to minus x square plus c. C, you recall, like ये किसकी इक्वेशन है? This is the equation of parabola. Like we draw some geometric interpretation throughout this. What is our equation? Plus c. Which type of parabola it is? It is downward parabola. You can draw like this. Having minus x square. Here c equals to 0. C equals to 1 also we put, c equals to 2 also we put. One more, minus x square plus 1, minus x square plus 2. If we draw a line intersecting this family of parabola, this point of intersection, we call this as P1, we call this as P2, we call this as P3. If we draw a tangent from this point, and this point, see, the slope made by tangents on that curve is equal, and tangents are parallel also. Actually, this line, which is called as x equals to a, which is orthogonal to the axis, and which is a common axis which pass through intersection of all these curves, and which is orthogonal to this axis. Now here, this is changing at each and every point. How? Now that's what is a indefinite integration with some variable function of integration. Now that's all from geometric interpretation. I hope you learn many things from and you got deep analysis out of it. Walking through this topic in continuation, what we can learn? We can learn some theorems, or in simple language we can say is the rules. What will be the rule? like rule 1, this thing, ये चीजें जो रूल्स में पढ़ा रहा हूँ, रूल्स हो गया, टेक्निक्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन लेटर ऑन अपन पढ़ेंगे, ये डेफिनेटली आपको हेल्प करेगा टू सॉल्व कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स इन द सेंस कि ये चीजें एक्सपर्ट के लिए भी जितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है जितनी बिगिनर के लिए जितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है उतनी एक्सपर्ट के लिए. सो ये डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा आपको कॉन्सेप्ट ग्रास्प करने के लिए, और इवन कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स के बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, और कैसे अपन प्रॉब्लम्स को डिवाइड करेंगे. डिवाइड करने के लिए अपन को बेसिक पता ही होना चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले स्मॉल स्टेप देखेंगे, स्मॉल से फिर मीडियम से फिर लास्ट स्टेप जाएंगे. स्मॉल स्टेप हियर इज बेसिक ऑल वी नो. Rule 1 is kfx into dx, integration of kfx. Here k is a constant. Constant. What does constant means? Constant, it is a constant. It does not vary with x. So what we can do? We put this constant outside of integration. Now our equation becomes clear. Second, rule 2. What is the rule 2? According to rule 2, as integration is a distributive property. And integration is a distributive property. Now, what we interpret from this distributive property? As rule 2 says, integration of sum of finite terms of any function is equals to integration of finite terms separately. अब तुम बोलोगे सर ये क्या है, fx, gx, hx. ये हम आगे एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे, सैंपल प्रॉब्लम्स. उससे आपको जो भी मैं रूल्स बता रहा हूँ, 4 रूल्स आपको बताऊंगा, चारों रूल्स उस प्रॉब्लम के थ्रू आपको समझ आ जाएगा. वही मेरा टारगेट है कि आपको हर चीज फ्रॉम बेसिक टू एडवांस सब कुछ समझ आ जाए. नाउ वी गो ऑन विद द रूल 3. सी रूल 3, ये मैं रूल 3 आपको मैं कन्वे करूंगा थ्रू वन प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम? सी sin 3x plus 2. What is the integration of this? As we all know, like 3x plus 2, here 3 is term with x. So as we all know, in integration, the term which is in multiply with x, definitely term comes in denominator. What is the case in differentiation? It comes in numerator only with multiply of x. See, now 1 by 3 cos 3x plus 2 minus plus c. So what we can see, like this is a linear equation. Linear in the sense in the form of y equal to mx plus c. If we can do integration out of it, so what? So we get a number in denominator itself like this. Now rule 4. Generalization of terms. Like linear combination of all the finite terms is equal to linear combination of that finite integral. And integration of that finite integral is equal to linear combination of that terms. What I can say, I can interpret through one example. Now we are doing one example which will clear all the rules out of it. Rule 1 to 4, and you get a deep understanding of all the rules through this problem. What was the problem? Problem is x cube, integration of x cube plus 2 by root x plus 4 by x plus 3x square. See, what is this? This is a linear combination of all the finite terms. Integration of linear combination of all finite terms. What we can do? By distributive property, what we can do? X cube dx individual integration plus as rule number 2. Integration of 2 root x dx plus 4 by x dx plus 3x square dx. Integration. From rule number 1, sorry. Problem comes, here we have constant. We keep this concept outside of integration. Here we can solve. X by 4 2. What is here? X minus 2. Integration of this. Here also rule number 1, and here also rule number 1. So your all rules are cleared from this question. That's my main motive behind this problem. 1 by x dx plus x cube by 3 come outside. This is the integration of it. Okay, now you can solve definitely this 2 root x and 4 ln x, and this is the problem. Minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 1 by 2 to come. It will be. Now we solve this problem. Now we going forward with the techniques of integration. Like अगर अपने प्रॉब्लम में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसमें बिग पावर्स है अपने डिनोमिनेटर में. अब बिग पावर्स है उसको तुम सॉल्व तो कर सकते हो, बट इट्स टू टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. सो हियर वी कैन नो सम काइंड ऑफ ट्रिक्स जिससे अपन उस प्रॉब्लम को विद इन टाइम कंस्ट्रक्ट में पूरा कर पाए. सी टेक्निक्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. फर्स्ट, सब्स्टिट्यूशन. सेकंड, इंटीग्रेशन. मल्टीप्लाई रूल. And there are many techniques are there. We can cover this kind of other techniques in later videos. Now, as my way of teaching, मैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन इंटीग्रेशन आपको एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझाऊंगा जिससे आपको बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. हियर फर्स्ट कम विद सब्स्टिट्यूशन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सब्स्टिट्यूशन? As you all know in English, what is the meaning of substitute? That's what is quite similar in mathematics also. Here we take one problem जिससे आपको substitution method अच्छे से समझ आ जाएगा. Like which problem? Integration of x square root over 1 plus x. What we can write? X square 1 plus x ka power 1 by 2 into dx. Now here, how you can solve this kind of problem which have powers in a half? If it will like this, you definitely solve by applying some identity, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. How you can solve this? So what we can do, one method come here, which is method of substitution. How? 1 plus x is equals to t. Let us assume dt is equal to dx. Now we put what is x here? T minus 1. What is x square? X square is equal to t minus 1 ka square. So what we can do? We put this thing on our equation 1. We can put this in our equation 1. And now our equation becomes like x square is equal to t minus 1 ka square. Dt is equal to dx, as we saw earlier. Now here, integration of t minus 1 ka square root t. T square minus 2t plus 1 into root t. Here, t square root t minus 2t root t plus root t dt dt dt. Integration of all this. By doing integration, like integration of this t 1 by 2, like we have same variable, so it just powers are just add up. It's 5 by 2 dt plus 2, it's 1 by 2, 3 by 2 t 3 by 2 2 times dt plus t 1 by 2 dt. And in further process you definitely know how to solve. But मेरा ये मकसद था इस प्रॉब्लम को करवाने का. इसमें देखो जनरलाइजेशन भी आ गया, सब्स्टिट्यूशन भी आ गया, और रूल 2 भी आ गया, रूल 1 भी आ गया. ऐसा बात थोड़ी ना है. Now we come up with second technique of integration, that is multiply rule. How we can do? Like suppose we have problem like this dx. So what we can do? We can keep x remain same. What is integration of sin x? Integration of sin is cos x minus cos x plus what will be the integration of x? X square by 2 sin x plus c. And here we can solve this problem also. Okay, that's fine for today. Now in later on we can start in various integral forms in our later classes. For now, thank you very much.